How to turn off or disable recommended videos on YouTube. What is up guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily clear out or disable all of the recommended videos on your YouTube. Let's begin. So as you guys can see here on my home screen, I have a bunch of videos that are recommended to me. So what you want to do here is, in order to clear them, just tap on your profile. Once you get to your profile, tap on the gear icon on the top right to open up your settings. Here you will have to tap on your data in YouTube. So in order to delete or disable your recommended videos, you will have to turn off your YouTube history. So for that, scroll down until you see your YouTube watch history. Tap on your recent history and clear them. So just tap on manage your YouTube watch history and you will have to delete all of these. So tap on delete and delete all time. Once you do that, you just have to go back and turn off your entire YouTube watch history. So tap on turn it off and tap on pause. So what this will do is it will pause your YouTube watch history and you will no longer be recommended the videos on your home screen. So if I go ahead and tap on my home screen and refresh my page, you will not get any recommended videos on your YouTube. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.